Hey guys, happy Friday. I hope that you felt better as we are about to wrap up week 2. It's been great to see all of you this week during our Math 6 meeting times. I think moving forward we'll do a combination of me requesting that you come to the math office hours with a blend of them being optional if you have questions. So feel free to email me, let me know your thoughts around that, your feedback, if you'd like to meet more as a whole group or in small groups, or if you kind of like the ability just to drop in to say hi or if you have a question. Today we're going to do a little mental math and then review what we have been talking about with inequalities. So make sure you're comfortable and you have all of your materials ready to go. All right, today's mental math warm-up features warm-ups that you guys sent me during week 1. So these are from your classmates, and we'll start with 2 today. First one, start with 45, divide by 5, multiply by 2, subtract 12, and add 10. Remember, you can pause and you can hear that again if you need to, and you should have ended up with 16. And our second one is going to start with 5, increase by 110, divide by 5, multiply by 7, and then take away 34. That was a lot of work with double and triple digits. But your final solution should be 127. So thank you guys for sending in your mental math warm-ups for the class to do. If you're getting really sick of my corny jokes above, feel free to email me some of your favorite jokes, or if you come across a good math meme that you want to send, just email me or share it in a Google Doc, and I can put those in for the weeks ahead. But today's assignment is going to be just a check-in, a little quick check over Google Forms. When you're doing the quick check today, this is just for me to gauge where you are with your understanding of inequalities and help me know where we need to go next week. Do we need to do more review, or are we ready to move ahead? So do your best. Feel free to use any of the work you've done this week if you've been writing in your math notebook or on other paper. If you want to go back and rewatch any of the videos from class, they're all on YouTube, and you'll also have access to the distance learning plans from week 1 and this week. So you can always go back to the West website and access the videos there. As always, be an advocate for your learning. Email me with any questions that you have, and do your best on the quick check, and I will see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an awesome weekend.